Happy to have you back in our Isoko language class. In our last class, we ended with the vowels. Now, I'm going to take you to the consonants of the Isoko language class. A, B, D, Isoko, that's what we are still talking about. A, B, D, Isoko. But today we are talking about the consonants. Now, having taken away 9 vowels from the 28 alphabets of the Isoko language, we are left with 19 consonants. But out of the 19 consonants, one does not have a sound of its own, which is letter C that we talked about. So that brings us to 18 consonants. Now, I'm going to sound them so that you hear. B, B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, T, V, W, Y, Z. I'll take the alphabets, the consonants again. B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, T, V, W, Y, Z. 18 consonants. Don't forget we say one letter does not have a sound, and that's letter C. Follow me on my social media handles. Till I see you in next class. Don't miss out the practice. Recite them, say them out, sound them, and you'll be surprised how far you can go with that.